Hey again guys, my name is Tando and welcome back to Doll Place at Home. Thank you so much for joining in on this next episode of my Vlogmas series. So in this one I'll be doing a bit of this and that, and hopefully you'll be joining along as I go, and I hope you do enjoy this. So do stay tuned. A lot of this will just be over some music and a little bit of voiceovers. I hope you do enjoy it. For the new people here, I hope you enjoy it and subscribe, and for the returning subbies, I do truly appreciate you guys. Do come back next time for the next install of my Vlogmas. Until then ciao. So naturally, after all that shaking, I won the Office Olympics. I had a mini meet up and catch up with a friend of mine. It was such a good brunch date. I really enjoyed myself, and as you know it, I was there non-stop yapping, and it was fun. I'm still over here trying to set the scene. So this is a wreath that I had separated into just a straight branch. I refuse to be buying a lot more Christmas decorations at this time, so I'm using what I do have and I'm trying to put it all together to have a look for the Christmas season. I will be revealing this to you guys as soon as it is completed, but for now it's just a setup that I was doing. So here I was doing the last minute setups and installs after those DIYs that I was waiting on, and I feel this is the last stage, guys. All that's left here is the ribboning, which is following up next. I got these ribbons from the discount cash and carry at Woodmead. They were like 10 rands each and they were still discounted down to 5 rands. So it's a major score for me. I hope you guys do head over there for some of your Christmas needs and other party or other decor inspiration. So here you go. I'm not really happy or 100% about this, so I'll probably be resetting it. But as it stands, this is what it looks like. know. Oh my gosh. I'm very undecided because angiboni ukuthi ngisazoba nesikhathi sokuthi ngenze inzipho. Okay. Yeah. Ulate. Namhlanje Hayi sizobona. Next time. So this was me trying to set up my outfit, but as you know, load shedding, and this is the reason why I literally got my makeup done at work in the bathroom. So here you go. This is my attempt of a quick face beat, just nothing serious, nothing hectic. My lashes were already done, so I was just doing some skin prep, sunscreen, always have my sunscreen and lotion on. And I'd already actually dabbed on some foundation and concealer, so it was a step too late, but before blending everything in, so hopefully that did serve its function as you may have it. So as I was blending, I was moving in and out of like normal light towards the camera because then I could see myself better. That's the actual look of the makeup on my face. So this is what I would look like in daylight, and then back to this view so that I could do my contour properly and the rest of my makeup. So do stay tuned for the rest of that. And guys, I keep trying, but my brows still look like enemies, or like, you know, the worst cousins. So this is the closest I could get it to looking neat and done and kept. So I just left it at this because I gave up immediately when the shape felt off with the second one. I was just like, nah, I'm done. I'm just done. So I managed to get this look in with less than half of my makeup set, and none of my brushes were really present except for like the concealer brush, as well as the flat brush and my blush brush. So this is it. The rest of this was just all from my hands and whatever else I could try and manage for this look. So after all the food and drinks were had, the night was just a simple but pleasing one. It was an awesome Christmas party and a very nice end to my work year. I really enjoyed myself, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video as well. Till the next one, thank you again for joining me. Bye.